Salam Alikum, I hope you all are doing good. Today I'm sharing with you the very amazing, the ultimate feta cheese shakshuka recipe. So watch the video till the end. So after watching a lot of recipes going around in the internet regarding feta cheese pasta, I decided to make it in my own way. Instead of pasta, I'm making here shakshuka. So for this, as usual, I'm taking here feta cheese in my pot. I'm using a clay pot. You can use normal frying pan or any kind of pot you have. And here I have added some chopped onions, my cherry tomatoes. In this I'm adding here paprika. This is smoked paprika. It will give a very nice flavor to it. You can adjust the spices according to your taste and like. Lots of olive oil, some salt, cover it, and I am going to cook it on the flame. I'll cook it until the tomatoes become soft and the cheese starts to get melt. Once it's done, like when it's soft, I'm going to mash the tomatoes with the cheese, mix everything together. It looks so amazing. Now here I am adding around 2 teaspoons of tomato paste. Now mix everything until combined. The flame is still on, please notice that. Now in this point, I'm going to add here eggs. I'm adding 4 eggs. You can adjust the quantity according to your family or how many person you are going to serve. So now I'm going to mix the cheese mixture with the egg whites a little bit with my fork, avoiding the yolk completely. I'm not going to break the yolks because I like a little runny texture of the yolk. And then on the top, the parsley. I just garnish it with the parsley. Cover the lid and let it cook for like about 3 to 4 minutes until the white gets done completely. Serve it, enjoy it with your family. They will love it and you will love it. I wish I could record the bubbly sound, the hot bubbly sound that's coming out from the dish, but I couldn't do it because of my baby screaming, so I'm sorry about that. But if you're new to my channel, you are most welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon because I am going to show you how to make the flatbread that you can see right now, and it's yummy style. I'll show you in the next episode. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be updated.